It's very cold out here. I'm cold and my eyes are watering. And I have a child who is being a goober. Want to see my goober child? Say hi, goober child.
Huh?
Say hi, goober child.
Hey.
See? Goober child. And I got a dog who is just crazy. What? I don't know what to do with my hat. I feel crying and I'm cold. But you know what? We're having fun. Oh, I have so much fun. I'm crying. It's so cold. Oh, it's so cold. But it's really pretty. Want to see?
Yes, I made it.
Get down, goober. You're gonna get hurt. Idiot dog. Crazy dog. Crazy child. Here, child.
Hey.
You're on video. Say hi, Mama.
Hey, Mama.
Tell Mama what we're doing outside.
We're playing in the snow. Here's something that I wanted to give you.
Do not throw that on Daddy's phone. He's crazy. He's so crazy. Look at the dog. She got snow. I don't know. She's a crazy dog, isn't she?
Yeah.
It's a cheese.
Cheese.
Goldberg.
Yeah. We should something cool.
I want to show you something cool. I told you to get down off there. Just climb. It's gonna fall. And I'll be like, just look, a blizzard of epic proportions. This is the most snow that your grandson has ever seen. Tell Mama what's on your feet.
Snow.
What else? What'd Mommy put on your feet? Under your socks.
Ziploc bags.
Ziploc bags. Yeah, learn from the best. Fix your hat, heifer. And guess what we're wearing under our gloves? I can't get it off. It's too cold. We're wearing gloves. It's too cold. You should be here. It's cold out here. The dog gonna go potty in the snow. Who was that masked puppy? Meg! Maggie May! Oh Lord, it was a run by fruiting. What? Hey, what? What?
Yes,
Somebody likes the snow. Who likes the snow? Not me.
The king of the snow.
Blocked her path under the house. I figured out your secret. If I have to tell you to get down off there again, I'm gonna do it with spanking. Too far for you to fall. Get down. Alright, finish up. We're gonna go inside. The majestic beast in its natural habitat. Oh, and that one too. What are you doing, heifer? Look up. What are you doing? Can you see with your hat like that?
Huh?
He can't even see. Look at this. You're like a pirate here. Let me fix your face.
I like it.
No, honey, you can't. Alright, fine. I like it. Alright, finish up. We're going in.
Why?
Cause it's cold out here.
Not for
If
me.
God meant for me to be in the snow, He'd have put me in Canada.
Yeah.
I think some angel messed up and sent us all this snow. Cause this is the South, and we're not supposed to have snow. We made a little. Oh. See if you can hit me. Bring it on. No, not so close. You're cheating. Haha. Look,
Yeah.
that dog peed on my dog. That's what happens. Right there. It's on fire. I'm allergic to the cold. But that's okay. Get down, heifer. climbing in a boat? I don't know what to do with this child.
Okay.
What? Alright. Come tell Mama bye and throw one last snowball. We gotta get out of here.
I hate this. Ugh.
That was a good one. Alright, here. Oh, no. Gavin. Oh, heifer. Stop. You're gonna get Daddy's phone wet. Run with Meg one more time. Meg!
Meg! You're right.
Get her! Get her! Okay, I love you. Go feed the chickens.